Hey, how's it going? Tom Aleixo here. I want to give you a nice, big, juicy tip for targeting with your Facebook ads. So, it could be hard sometimes if you don't have enough, if you haven't ran traffic before, or you don't have enough people on your website, whatever the case might be. It may be hard to figure out who am I going to target with my ads. Well, the greatest thing is that Facebook has a tool called Audience Insights. And you can find this within the ads managers. If you click on the upper left, and then you click on the upper left with the three lines, boom, you choose Audience Insights, and then the thing that you can do, you can put in keywords, depending on what you're selling, what you're doing. So, if you're selling pet products, you put in, whatever it's for, dogs, cats, and then you see what comes up, and it tells you what the audience that likes dogs or whatever what else they might like. So then you could target those pages. Now, the thing is that Audience Insights is a great tool, but you don't want to automatically just take what it tells you and just implement it. So let's say you want to look at other pages that people might be interested in. So you use Audience Insights to find that page, then you click on it and actually check out the page itself. When you check out the page, you want to make sure that it has a big audience, a decent sized audience. I would say about, anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million or up, you want to use. And then on top of that, depending on how much people like the page, you want to see how much people actually engage with each post. So if you have a page that's 1 million likes, and let's say each post let's say they post 2 times a day, and each post they have has 800 likes, 500 comments, a lot of people engage with it, and they engage with it fast, then that's a page you most likely want to use as an interest in your targeting. Because then that means that those people will most likely engage with your ad if your ad, if your ad applies to them, if your ad speaks out to that audience. So when you check out these pages, make sure that the pages are actually alive, that there's people actually on it. Because unfortunately, there are some pages that they have fake likes, or they've been around, or their content isn't, that spectacular, and people aren't engaging with it. So you want to make sure that you find a page where there is a lot of engagement, because then when you use them as an interest, you'll most likely get great engagement on your ad, depending how good you do it. Alright, so go out there, get your targeting down, do it good, get your ads working, and if you have any questions or you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. I do consulting, and I also do Facebook ads for e-commerce businesses. So if you need help with your ad campaign, shoot me over a message, and if it looks good, we'll get on a call. So alright guys, it was great speaking to you. Until next time, have a good one.